Jinan. I'm here at the Blue Hall of Nanjiao Hotel in Jinan, Shandong, where Sailing Out Trading Worldwide Global Marketing Promotion Conference has just kicked off with great momentum. You can feel the energy. It is totally electric and full of anticipation.
In simple terms, the core mission of this conference is to form a powerhouse alliance, building a supercharged all-star support squad for Shandong's specialized, sophisticated, distinctive, and innovative export products. In the past, companies often ventured abroad alone, grappling with fundamental questions like which market to enter, how to sell, and how to ship. Today, Shandong is bringing together top-tier service providers from market intelligence and financial support to logistics, customs clearance, and legal consulting to offer a one-stop toolkit for global expansion. This enables businesses to join forces and strike out with unwavering confidence.
This conference has ignited a spark, really firing up Shandong's passion to explore the world. Powered by the robust international marketing system, Shandong's quality products are poised to shine even brighter on the global stage.